Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Aaron Cawley. I own an e-commerce business in Southern California. I've been doing e-commerce full-time now for about 2.5 years. That's all I do. It's me and my brother. It's a family business. And yeah, right now we're at this cool Airbnb in San Clemente, California. So I thought I'd show you guys around and tell you about myself. So stay tuned.
You're watching the Cawley Park YouTube channel.
So yeah, this right here is the living room of the Airbnb, and we're on like the middle floor. There's a rooftop spa, rooftop hangout area. Here's the pool table, the bar area. Been doing some work over there on my laptop. The TV over there, and a TV right there, and a balcony out here. This is the second level. And here's the nice, lovely kitchen. Nice fridge. And of course, we got all the snacks over there. And if you walk in this way, that's where the bedrooms are. There's the restroom right here. One of the restrooms. There's my room in there. Here's another room here. There's another room downstairs too, which I'll show you right now. Go downstairs here, I'll show you the other bedroom. Or at least where it's at. And the other bedroom is right here. And there's another balcony too. Another balcony out here. I'll show you guys here. Another balcony out there.
Here you go, Aaron. There you go. This is what Aaron requested.
Wow.
Here's your corn dog.
Thank you, my boy.
And a little treat for DC.
All right. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are here today on this San Clemente rooftop. And see, we got a hot tub here. And the pier is right over there. It's the pier. So just want to make this quick video. We're at this Airbnb. We're on the rooftop now. It's my brother right there. So I get in the hot tub here. That's gonna be about it for this video. I just want to show you the rooftop here. All right guys, so right now we're gonna grab some pizzas and we'll be back. We got the Indy 500 going on the TV right now. We got a nice weather today. There's the pier out the window. And yeah, should be a good day. Today is Sunday, it's day 2 here, or actually day 3 here. But yeah, we're watching the Indy 500, so stay tuned. I'll post some more clips on my channel of this Airbnb that we're at. And we'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe.